I am grateful for this opportunity to speak to you today. Virtual machines and virtualization technology are really a great technology for today's company. I am happy to have your company ready for this new and upcoming system. They're not just clever, they're transformative. Whether you're in education, enterprise IT, or cybersecurity, virtualization gives you flexibility, control, and power that physical hardware alone just can't match. I want to tell you what virtual machines and servers can actually do for you and your company. At the most basic level, virtualization allows you to run multiple operating systems and workloads on a single server. That means instead of buying and maintaining 10 separate machines, you can host 10 virtual machines, each with its own role on one high performance server. This is called server consolidation, and is one of the fastest ways to reduce hardware costs, energy consumption, and physical space. Just think of it as having lots of little computers living up in the cloud that you can bring down to your machine and use anytime you want to without having to purchase every single machine. One of my favorite features is virtual networking, and it's incredibly helpful in a business setting. Using virtual switches, you can simulate complex network environments, segment traffic between departments, and even test firewall rules, all without touching physical cables. This means your IT team, i.e., me, can troubleshoot, optimize, and secure your network faster and safer. You can assign static IPs to critical servers, configure all your DHCP relay to ensure device stays connected, and manage network isolation to protect your sensitive data, which will make you a nice, safe little company. These capabilities help prevent downtime, reduce misconfigurations, and keep your business operations running smoothly. From a security standpoint, virtualization gives your company powerful options. You can isolate your sensitive workloads, like your human resource department or your finance systems, on separate virtual machines, reducing the risk of any cross contamination or unauthorized access from hackers. With group policy objects, you can enforce consistent security settings across all users, like all your password policies or folder redirections. And using role based access control, you can ensure that only authorized personnel can manage or access specific virtual machines. This kind of control helps protect your company's data, maintain all your government compliances, and gives leadership peace of mind. If your business is integrated with cloud services virtualization, make that transition seamless. You can sync your on premises Active Directory domain services with Azure Active Directory using Azure AD Connect so your team can access resources across platforms with a single identity. This will reduce all your login issues, improve your experience, and strengthen identity management across your organization. What I love most and what I've seen firsthand in my experience is how virtualization supports safe experimentation. I've personally used virtual machines to let users explore networking. This means that if you want to roll out any new programs, you can test them first without risking anything to your business. So, if any new programs you want to try, if they don't work, you can just roll it on back without having any fear of breaking any of your systems. And if your company is ready to modernize, virtualization is the foundation. It's scalable, secure, and smart. You can support remote work by deploying virtual desktops, build out a hybrid cloud for flexibility, and preparing for future growth without constantly buying new hardware. And I'd be excited to help you design an environment that's not just efficient, but empowering. Virtual machines give you the tools to stay agile, protect your data, and keep your business moving forward with confidence. In the end, virtualization isn't just a smart investment, it's a strategic move towards resilience, scalability, and security. It empowers us businesses to do more with less, respond faster to change, and protect what matters most. And the technology grows or shrinks when you do. So it's personalized. I've seen how virtual machines can create safe spaces for learning, innovation, and growth, whether in the classroom or a corporate environment. My long term goal is to work in cybersecurity, building systems that protect people's data and dignity, So virtualization is one of these foundational tools that will make that possible. I'd be honored to help your company design an environment that's not only efficient and secure, but also empowering for your team, your customers, and your future. Thanks for giving me this opportunity.